Hello again. Welcome to another exciting class with Mrs. Tessie. Our topic for the week is the basic needs of living things. Basic needs of living things. So the objectives of this class is you will learn the meaning of living things, some examples of living things, then you learn the basic needs of living things. Are you ready to go on this tour with me? Because I am ready and I'm excited to go on the tour. So living things have life in them. Did you know that? And some examples are plants, animals, and humans. You are a living thing. The tree in the picture is a living thing. The man and the child, the flowers, all living things. Now the basic needs of living things are sunlight, water, air, food, shelter. We'll be looking at these basic needs one after the other. Okay, so we have said living things need all of these. Sunlight is the main source of energy for living things because plants use it to make food through a process called photosynthesis. Animals eat these plants as food. Then cold-blooded animals also need the sunlight to keep warm. Oftentimes you see snakes basking in the sunlight because they cannot regulate their body temperature, so they need the sun to keep warm. Water. Of course, plants need it to make food too, because in the process of photosynthesis, water is needed. How about animals? Do animals also need water? You see these plants look flourishing, beautiful vegetation because they are well watered and they have ample supply of sunlight. Now imagine if these plants didn't have sunlight and water, they won't do as beautifully well as they are doing. Like I was saying, animals also get nutrients from water. So they need water, they drink water. They also lubricate their joints and keep their muscles moving smoothly with the use of water. You see the animals there drinking, just like I know you like to drink. Yes, water is good. I can see how beautiful these creatures are looking because they have ample supply of water. There is water that by the flowing stream and they have plenty supply, so they are growing very well, beautifully well. Okay, what else do living things need? They need air to survive. Can you imagine staying 2 seconds without breathing? Now breathe in, out. Plants too breathe in and out, only that they do not breathe in oxygen, but they breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. But animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Now food. While plants make their own food through photosynthesis, animals eat plants to survive. Animals also eat fellow animals, or they eat a combination of both plants and animals. Those animals are called omnivores. The ones that eat plants are herbivores, while the one that eats animals are carnivores. Like this eagle is a carnivore, it is eating a fish. Fish is another animal. Imagine an animal like an eagle eating a fish, another animal, so it is a carnivore, it eats flesh. Alright? But goats eat grass, they eat plants, so they are herbivores. Habitat, they need shelter. Habitat or shelter, they mean the same thing. Now animals need a place to live. This is called the habitat. You can see this monkey on the branch of the tree. That is where it lives. At least after the hustle for the day, it goes back to the tree to rest because that is its home. Just like you have your own home. How about the snake? Where do you think snakes live? In a hole. You see, when they are hungry, they creep out of the hole to hunt for food. But when they want shelter, a place to go rest their head or rest or sleep, they crawl back into their hole for safety. Alright, so this brings us to the end of the class. I hope that you had fun. Until our next class, a goodbye from me. Bye.